Hi there, this is Andy and today I will guide you on how to create an IRA account on tastytrade, fund it, buy and sell stocks or ETFs and navigate the platform. To begin, click the link below the video to be eligible for a bonus. Their bonus is tier based, the more you deposit, the more you can make. It starts at $50 and extends up to $5,000. Anyway, once on the tastytrade website, click open an account. Select your country of residence, add your email address, username and password and then hit the sign up button. As this is a real account, I will hide my personal information. On the next page, add your first and last name, physical address and your phone number. This is just step 1, but you can track your progress on the left bar, which is helpful. After you populate all the information, click next. It's on the bottom and at first was covered by the cookies pop-up. Answer the question if you are a US citizen, and then add your social security number, marital status, number of dependents if you have any, date of birth, and last, answer if you are subject to backup tax withholding. And your employment information, if you click employed, you will have to enter your employer name, just company name, occupation, and job title. Almost done with section 1, as all we need to do to complete the personal info is to answer a few common questions. Go over these 5 questions and answer based on your case. If I had to guess for the majority of you, none of these would apply, but again, read the questions carefully and answer them. Time to select the account type we wish to open. They offer 4 types: individual, joint, business or trust, and retirement accounts. If you're interested in opening a brokerage account with tastytrade, I have created a step-by-step video on how to do so. You can find the link on the description below. As for this video, we will proceed to open a retirement account. So select it and click next. You have 2 options here, either opening an individual IRA account or opening a beneficiary inherited account. I would say 99% of you will be interested in opening an IRA account, which will fall under the individual one. So if that is the case, click individual and hit next. Now you can choose between the 3 types of IRA offers here: the traditional IRA, the Roth IRA, and the SEP IRA. SEP IRA is for self-employed individuals or small business owners. For this video, we will focus on the 2 most common IRA types, the traditional and the Roth IRA. While both retirement programs share similarities, there are significant differences between them that you need to understand before opening one. I have created a detailed video that provides information on all you need to know, so if you are not aware of which one to pick, please check the video on the description below. Quickly though, the main differences between a Roth IRA and a traditional IRA are in tax treatment, income limits, and withdrawal rules. Roth IRA contributions are made with after-tax dollars, and qualified withdrawals are tax-free, while traditional IRA contributions may be tax-deductible, but withdrawals are taxed. Last main difference is that Roth IRAs have income limits for eligibility and no requirement minimum distribution, whereas traditional IRAs have no income limits for contribution, but require minimum distribution starting at age 73. For this video, I will proceed and open a traditional IRA account. The steps for opening a Roth IRA account are identical, so pick the account type you wish and click Submit. You can choose to add a beneficiary if you wish, or you can skip this step for now and do it later on. Next, answer a question about your trading experience and trading objectives, and provide your financial information, such as annual income, net worth, and liquid net worth. There are no wrong answers in this section, so please go over them and answer what applies to your situation. Based on your answers, you will be presented with a table on what you're qualified for. 2 options, limited and basic. To pick the account access, click choose. Based on my answers, I qualify for buying stocks and options, sell covered calls, and in one of the account access options to trade option spreads. Honestly, if you're opening an IRA account to invest, the limited access account will serve you just right. But it is your call, so select your account access and click next. Set your 2-factor authenticator, better safe than sorry. You can use an authenticator app or just an SMS. Once you make your pick, click next so you can go through the process. You will have 30 minutes to enter your code. Add your security question, and if you want, you can add a trusted contact. If you skip that part, you can always add the contact later on. tastytrade requires that you upload a few documents in order to open your account. You can add them now or you can add them after you complete your application. For this video, I will do that later, but if you have them handy, it is a good idea to upload them now. Let's go through the terms and conditions along with 20 more documents and click next if you agree with all of them. Last step, review all the information you provided and at the bottom click submit. If you did not upload your documents before, now it's the time. Click upload. Clicking that link takes us to the dashboard, which does not provide a document section. I did play a bit around, but I was not able to figure out where I can upload my documents. Below the account status though, we can see that our application is processing and that we should be on the lookout for a welcome email in 3 to 5 business days. So I did log out and then log in back after a few hours, and now the ID section does show up. So what you will need to do is you need to bring your phone device, your ID or passport. Click start or use my mobile phone. My advice is use the mobile phone, it's much easier. I used my mobile to take the pictures and the entire process took less than 30 seconds. After you do that, you will have to wait until you receive an email. The email arrived after 4 hours, and the first time you log in back to your account, you will be greeted by this interface. I will click Make it my landing page. First order of business is to fund the account. In order to do that, click Fund my account, then click Link a bank. On the pop-up, pick the bank you use. For this account, I will use Capital One. tastytrade uses Plate, which is the service that almost every broker uses, and it's great as once you create an account there, all your info can be reused. Proceed to log in into your bank and you shall see this Tastyworks Inc. would like to access your account information. Click continue, select the account you want to connect, and last authorize it. Great, now you will receive a 6-digit code. Add it and it's done. Your account is now connected. Click continue, select the funding account, and finally we can add funds to the account. Add the amount you wish to deposit. I will do $30 today and click continue. tastytrade offers instant deposit, and since I want to test the platform, I will choose that. Review, and if you're okay with it, click submit. Great, my deposit is processing. Now we can check how we can buy and sell stocks or ETFs on tastytrade. By clicking trading, you will land on the trading dashboard. Here you can trade stocks, options, and all the other assets offered by tastytrade. To search for an asset, you can use the search bar above. I will type in SCHD. Now that I will click on it, we will get the price, change of the day, bid and ask price. On the right side, we can see the highs and lows, as well as the volume and dividend rate. To place an order, you have to go to the bottom of the chart. There you will find the option to buy and sell. Since we want to purchase the SCHD, we need to set the quantity, that will be 1, set the order type, which will be market as I'm not chasing the price, and hit review. On the review box, we can see our current buying power, the last price, and the estimated fees, which are 0. Well, under these terms, and since I'm okay with it, I will hit submit. Done, the order was processed and now I owe 1 share of SCHD. Click positions, which is located on the left bar. There you can see all your open positions on the platform. Currently, my position on SCHD is down about 2 cents. To sell an asset, the process is quite the same. Click trade on the sidebar and you will be landed back to the trading area. If you hold more than one asset, they will appear on the box next to the chart. Currently, I only hold one, so this will be the only available asset to sell. Head down to the trade area, which is below the chart, click sell, select your quantity. I will do 0.5. Do note here that tastytrade allows the purchase and sell of partial stocks in ETFs. Anyway, once ready, click review. You can see the amount of the funds you will get out of it on the bottom, as well as the fees, which for such a trade is 11 cents. When you're ready, click submit. And that is how you buy and sell assets on tastytrade. Now let's explore what else does the platform has to offer. To do that, I will pick a stock this time. Let's pick Nvidia, which today has quite a rough day. It's down 7.4%. Aside from buying and selling shares, you can also trade options. To do that, click the Trade the Options button above the chart. There you will be able to see the days and you can buy or sell some options. I would like to have some more details on the company, to be honest, aside from the ones provided. Some brokers, they do provide financial statements, for example, but I do understand that tastytrade is mostly an active traders platform and not built for long-term investing. So keeping that in mind, let's proceed by clicking activity on the left bar so we can see all the actions that they took place in our account. Currently, I have only one trade, but you can see the time and the order number. If you continue making more orders, this one will populate. Clicking fixed income, we will land into a US Treasury bill market where you can buy and sell Treasury bills. News and research tabs will give you access to news related to the assets you have picked. As you can see, Nvidia has a ton of news going on. Overall, it's a solid platform for active traders. I hope this video helped you to create an IRA account on tastytrade, fund it, buy and sell stocks or ETFs, and navigate the platform. Please like, subscribe, and comment your questions below. I'll be more than happy to get back to you. Talk to you soon.